I started to develop the software just for myself, not with the vision to start to sell the software. And that software was doing the design work automatically. And that's in effect how hsbcad started. The software that we developed first was stick framing, but soon after that there was the need to have a solution for roof elements, for log building. And now we have the software for CLT, cross-laminated timber, which is really the next big thing in wood construction worldwide.
We try to capture the architect's intent and translate to construction documents, to driving machines, to effectively produce what the architect designed. The main feature is the possibility to allow our customers to go all the way. That is, to go 100%. It's not sufficient to have 80% of your machine instructed. No, you need your machine to be fully instructed, to be fully accurate. So the level of detail is an equally important feature of our software. First step, of course, in that process is to detail in the CAD environment the product, where every nail will be put, where every piece of timber is placed. We go over to shop drawings, like how has the thing to be composed, how to build, to be assembled. From that original design, we also generate CNC data for the numerical machines, but also images, PDF, reporting. We do quality control if all information is there. Finally, we generate also content to be pushed into our cloud environment, such that issues can be tracked, on-site the building can be built, and so on. We provide solutions for small companies, mid-range and large companies. For the small companies, it's typically the design part, where they want to detail. But for the large companies, it's the full suite, full automation of the factory, integration with ERP systems, integration with bill material delivery, planning, optimization of that process.
We are committed to maintain our pioneering position in the industry, allowing companies to utilize our software solutions to migrate from their old construction methodologies into newer, better and more sustainable ways of working.
We at Sibomat build houses in timber framing. We have everything under one roof. The designers are here. The choice of materials is here. And the production process is also here in our factory. 8 years ago we had a large project and we weren't able to draw it with our software. So we looked on the market and came to hsbcad, and they helped us a lot. It was the police tower in Charleroi, and it's a very complex building with complex walls. It was very important for us. The program was in 3D. With the complexity of the project, it was needed. The great advantage of the software is it's fully automated. For example, the nailing lines, the routing is automated by the program. Another great advantage is the flexibility of the program to make last-minute changes manually, so not everything has to be redone. Because it's fully automated, we don't have to put manual input in the drawings, so there are less faults in the drawings and in the production process. Because it's fully automated, we can really focus on the designing of our drawings, and it saves us time and money. Implementing the software has changed the way we work. Now we have less waste of the wood that we're working with. hsbcad is not only a partner, it's also the driver of our production process.